Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, this is Rob Rosa. Hopefully your favorite real estate broker here in Rocky Hill over on 36 Lakeview Ave. Listen, right now I am getting ready to show this home. Got here for a few minutes early because we do have multiple showings today, and I want to let you know that you can get a absolutely huge home, over 3,100 square feet here in Rocky Hill, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Does it need a little bit of touch-ups? Yes. Does it need a little bit of finishing? Yes. But it's a great value in a very desirable area with an awesome school system. So I figured, you know what? Let me show you the home. Let's do a quick little tour together. So as we're over here, I'm looking here at the neighborhood. Want to basically show you the home. I think you're going to enjoy it. Of course, I have to show you my sign. So listen, give me a call at 860-558-2122 or text me when you get an opportunity. And I'd love to be able to show you the home. And you see right here, you have a 2-car garage. Very, very nice entrance. One of the things that I love about it, and hopefully I don't trip here, is that you have a huge 2-story foyer. Absolutely gorgeous here. Vaulted ceilings. Now take a look at that. Custom built stone fireplace. All right, and so that home has been here since the beginning. But here we are. Beautiful living room, very huge, very spacious. You know, this is something that, hey, does the home maybe need a little bit of work? Yes. But is this an opportunity for you to come in here and make it your own? Of course it is. So, hey, John, thanks for watching. Anna Margaret, thanks for watching. Here we have a formal dining room with ceramic tile. And so that, of course, is something that you could come on in here and be able to, during the holidays, spend some time with your family and friends. Right here, I want to show you the huge, spacious kitchen, right? Center island, tons and tons of cabinets. Okay, so there's an opportunity for you to be able to come on in here and maybe do a little bit of updates, do a little bit of finishing work. Good morning, John. All right. Center vent there system. You have extra pantry and so forth. And one of the things that people are going to really love about the home is that you do have a bedroom on the main living level. Hey, Janetta, thanks for joining us. All right. So not only do you have a bedroom on the main living level, but you also have a full bath. All right. It's kind of cool here. There's a pretty big shower area. You know, pretty big shower with a sit down area in the shower. So having that bedroom on the first floor and then having a full bath is definitely going to help those people. Maybe you have a family member, a mother, a father, a mother-in-law that they want to be able, oops, let me get you here and focused. They want to be able to take a look at the home, and they want to be able to move in with you. Hey, Tony. Hey, Rachel. Hey, Ron. Thanks for watching with us. So that right there, having a bedroom and full bath on the main living level should hopefully be a huge, huge opportunity for some of you to say, hey, wow, this might be great for us to do some consolidating with our family, to be able to save some money together, to be able to grow a family together here. And look at how huge it is. Huge open space living. Also on the main living level, you have a rec room. Hey, Vincent Carbone, thank you for watching, sir. I know you got some buyers for me. You got to bring them over to this house in Rocky Hill. Here is the family room. So it's a huge family room with double doors leading to the outside, right? If you open up those drapes, there's plenty of sunshine that comes in. And again, it might need some finishing touches here and there, right? You might want to do some updates, but it's an awesome value. At only $425,000, it's listed for $424,900. Hey, Angela, thank you for joining us over here in Rocky Hill. Now let's take a look upstairs. Again, vaulted ceilings, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, beautiful wood stairs here, open to an area where you can put your own home office maybe. Maybe you want to put a desk, maybe you want to put a sewing area, or little hidden here behind the cardboard is we also have laundry hookups. So right now the laundry is set up for the lower level, but if you wanted to, you can put it up here on the second level, no problem. We do have 1 bedroom downstairs, another 3 bedrooms that are basically ready to move right in. But then what we also have is the huge bonus room and another bedroom there. So this right here is the current main bedroom, right? Plenty of closet space. Here is another bedroom here. Walking through the house, turning on lights, nothing wrong with that, right? That way you can see everything. All right. Hey there, Ruben. Thanks for joining us. Here is another bedroom. Okay, currently being used from storage and so forth. All right, but what I do want to show you, here's the kicker for things, my friends. Again, Rocky Hill, huge, beautiful living room, 3 fireplaces, 5 bedrooms. And now here's the time where you are going to fall in love, because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So you want to come in here and make this, finish it off, make it your own beautiful master bedroom suite. Brand new brick fireplace, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, balcony leading to, or 2 doors leading out to a balcony leading to the outside. Have a beautiful view when you wake up in the morning. Vaulted ceilings, beautiful. 2 closets. Here's 1 closet. I can show you the other one after. And then, my friends, is an absolutely gorgeous master bath with stand-up shower, whirlpool tub, a lot of absolutely gorgeous ceramic tile. Again, do you have to come in here and go buy your own favorite plumbing fixtures? Yes. Okay. Maybe you want to come in here and get some granite countertops? Yes. Okay, I can help you get financing for some of this stuff. I definitely have people who can help us. A bath, and then take a look at that. How beautiful is that? Okay, whirlpool tub, being able to sit here, relax, plenty of sunshine, vaulted ceilings, and so forth. So I thought, and then here, of course, is the second closet, which I wanted to show you. So, if you wanted to make this your own master bath, here it is. And thank you for joining us, Mary. Definitely appreciate it. All right, my friends. So you know what? I know that it is an absolutely gorgeous Sunday morning out there. Hopefully you're enjoying yourself. I don't want to hold you up for too long, but I did want to show you this excellent value, which is a huge home here in Rocky Hill. Absolutely excellent school system, beautiful, desirable area, 5 bedrooms, 5. Do you need to do some finishing touches? Yes, you do. I'm not gonna give you a line of baloney. You need to come in here, maybe do some painting, some flooring, finish up some fixtures and so forth. But to get a home that has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3 full baths, 3 fireplaces, 1 bedroom and full bath on the main living level, and over 3,100 square feet for $424,900. Awesome opportunity for you. So if you or a friend or family member might be interested, maybe you want to help out somebody that you care about and refer them to me, I can promise you that I will help them every step of the way. You can call or text me. Hey, Christina, thank you for joining us. You can call or text me at 860-558-2122. Hey, Tony, there is a full basement with high ceilings. So it's not finished, but it does have a walkout. So you can actually walk into the basement from the outside with high ceilings, and then you'll have to finish it yourself. But it is definitely a big, huge basement. This is an excellent opportunity for somebody who wants to come in here, do a little work. You will buy this home and have almost instant equity. I can tell you that. So again, have an absolutely awesome weekend, or what's left of it. We still got one more day. You can maybe have a drink or two. You can relax by a pool, sit out in the sun or in the air conditioning and enjoy yourself. And I want to tell you, God bless you and thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.